a poor boy, Thomas story seldom told. I squandered my resistance for a packet full of mambosas or promises. All lies in jest till the man hear what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. Hello mga kapiyok, isang magandang araw sa inyo. Ang video ito ay plucking tutorial ng kanta ni Simon and Garfunkel. Ang pamagat ay The Boxer. Ang chords na gagamitin natin sa tutorial ay mula sa key of C. Sa tutorial na ito, ang gagawin natin ay yung iconic na intro, yung ganito. At saka yung verses, yung chorus, at saka yung paborito kong interlude. Yung interlude ay ganito lang. Sa video ito ay may dalawa tayong main point ng learning. Ang una ay yung sa intro. At saka yung pangalawa ay yung main pattern ng plucking. Ang pattern ng plucking ay madali lang, bass 2-4-3, bass 2-4-3. I-expand natin yung lesson mamaya. So, umpisa tayo sa intro muna. Ang intro ay ganito. I am just a poor boy. Okay, umpisa natin yung intro. Ang unang chord natin ay G minor. Yung tatlong string dito sa 3rd fret. Tagi-isa yan. Hinliliit, ring finger at saka yung middle. Idiin mo lang yung tatlo sa baba. So, ang unang gagawin natin, ang unang measure ay ganito. Yan yung unang measure. Ang una dyan ay yung sa hinliliit, unang string, kalabit, then pull off para sa open. Ganon. Then second ay yung 3rd fret nung 2nd string. Ganon. Then balik ka ng 1st string na open. Then akyat ka, 2nd and 3rd. 1st string, pull off, then 2nd string, balik ng 1st string na open, then 2nd, 3rd. Sa pangalawang measure, the same pattern ang gagawin, pero iangat mo yung middle finger. So ang nakadiin lang dyan ay yung 3rd fret ng 2nd string. So, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Gawin mo yan ng dalawang beses. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. 1st, 2nd, 3rd. Then, punta ka ng 1st fret ng 2nd string. Then, abutin mo yung 3rd fret ng 3rd string. Then, pull off para open. Kalabit. Pull off. Ganon. Mula sa 1st fret ng 2nd string. Abutin mo yung 3rd fret ng 3rd string, pull off. Sa pag-pull off mo, tutunog yan sa open na string. Ganon. Then, balik ka ng 2nd string, 1st fret. Okay, mula sa unang measure. Yan yung una at saka pangalawang measure. Then, pagkatapos ng dalawang measure na yan, ay umpisa na tayo sa chord C. Yung sa chord C ay ganito. Diyan na natin gagamitin yung main pattern ng kanta. Okay, gawin natin yung intro. I am just a poor boy. Then focus naman tayo dun sa pangalawang main point ng lesson natin. Yan yung pattern ng plucking. Ang main pattern ng plucking ay 8 bilang per measure. At ang pattern ay bass, 2, 4, 3, bass, 2, 4, 3. Bass, second string, fourth string, third string, then balik ng bass. Then ulitin mo lang second, fourth, third. Pero sa bass ay pwede tayong gumamit ng mga alternating basses gaya sa chord C. Sa C, ang unang bass dyan ay yung 5th string, 3rd fret. Then yung alternate bass niyan ay sa 3rd fret nung 6th string dito. G. Gawin natin yung C. Bass 2, 4, 3. Lipat sa G. Bass 2, 4, 3. Yan yung recurring pattern nung plucking nung kanta. Okay, play natin yung unang verse mula sa intro. Slow lang. I am just a poor boy, though my story seldom told. I squandered my resistance for a packet full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jest till the man hear what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. Okay, isa-isahin natin. Mula sa C, bass 2, 4, 3, bass sa G 2, 4, 3. Sanayin mong gawin yan. Bass 2, 4, 3, then G bass 2, 4, 3. Gawin mo yan ng 2 beses bago papasok ng unang line ng verse. I am just a poor boy, though my story seldom told. Doon sa seldom told, C over B, magbe-bass ka sa 2nd fret nung 5th string. Dito. Stories seldom. Then A minor, told. G, squandered my resistance for a packet full sa G7, pero pwedeng G lang. Packet full of mumbles, such are promises. G, C, G. Doon sa packet full G7, pwede kang maglagay ng hintuturo sa 1st fret ng 1st string. Squandered my resistance for a packet full of mumbles, as are promises. Then dako naman tayo doon sa pangalawang part ng verse na ito. Okay? Squandered my resistance for a packet full of mumbles, as are promises. All lies and jest till a man hear what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. All throughout ng plucking, ay maintain mo yung plucking pattern. Sa bass, 2, 4, 3, bass, 2, 4, 3. Okay, recap natin yung unang verse mula sa intro. I am just a poor boy, though my story seldom told. I squandered my resistance for a packet full of mumbles, as are promises. All lies and jest till the man hear what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. Siya nga pala, bago tayo mag-proceed, doon sa part na squander my resistance, ay pwede mong i-play yan ng ibang plucking pattern. Kung gusto mo lang, optional lang. Pero ito yung usual na ginagawa ng Simon and Garfunkel pag tumutugtog sila. Ganito. Squander my resistance for a packet full of mumbles. Squandered my resistance for a packet full of mumbles. Halata nyo? Ito yung part na yung middle finger, mag-hammer ka dun sa second fret nung 40 string. Then, later ilalagay mo yung hinlilid dun sa third fret nung 40 string din. Squandered my resistance for a packet full. Okay, play natin yung second verse mula sa last part ng first verse. Wants to hear and disregards the rest. Three, four. When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy, and the company of strangers in a quiet old railway station running scared. I was no more than a boy, and the company of strangers in a quiet old railway station running scared. Laying low, seeking out the poor quarters where the rugged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Then pagkatapos ng second verse ay chorus. Dito sa chorus, pwede mong i-maintain yung main pattern ng plucking. Bass 2-4-3, bass 2-4-3. Pero later, pwedeng gawin ng variation, may kasamang strum. Okay, gawin natin yung chorus mula sa last part ng verse 2. Only they would know. Lie, la, lie. Lie, la, lie, 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 lie. Lie, la, lie. La, 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 la. Ngayon yung variation na binanggit ko kanina ay ganito lang. Only they would know. Lie, la, lie. Lie, la, lie, 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 lie. Lie, la, lie. Lie, la, lie, 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 lie. So, proceed tayo ng interlude. Ang interlude ay pwedeng tugtugin sa chords ng second verse. Pero pwede mong gawing fingerstyle para maisama mo yung melody. Melody ng interlude. Yung interlude ay ganito lang. Tan, 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 tan. Ngayon, kung gusto mong isama yung melody, ay ganito lang.